What if you could build an online stream of income that runs completely on autopilot and gives you the freedom to quit your 9 to 5? Today, I'm showing you how to sell high-demand digital products using Ali Dropship and how to set up an automated online business hands-free. Most people who want to break free from the daily grind get stuck right at the beginning. They think they need to create digital products from scratch, build expensive websites, or master complex software. But Ali Dropship removes all that friction. They are a major industry platform featured by Forbes and NBC with a 4.7-star rating on Trustpilot and over 1.5 million stores launched globally. The primary reason this works for anyone replacing a regular job is that everything is completely done for you. When you sign up, you don't get a blank page or a DIY builder. You get a fully built, ready-to-earn online store from day one. No coding, no web design experience, and zero technical skills required. It literally runs right out of your browser. Now, where do you get the products to sell? You don't have to spend months creating them. Directly from the catalog at sellviacatalog.com, you can load your store with high-margin digital items, including comprehensive guides, courses, and smart AI toolkits. These AI toolkits give your buyers instant, personalized results on the spot, making them extremely popular. Here is where the true autopilot magic kicks in. Because these items are 100% digital, fulfillment is completely automated. The second a customer buys, the platform processes the order and delivers the file instantly. No physical inventory, no shipping fees, and zero logistics headaches. Plus, you keep an incredible 50% to 70% profit margin on every single sale. And getting customers is just as simple. You don't need marketing expertise because Ali Dropship features a built-in automated promotion system. You just set your daily ad budget, starting as low as $10 a day, click Activate, and the system automatically targets and drives buyers to your store. You even receive a free $40 ad coupon to start getting orders hands-free. Over $1.5 billion has already been earned by store owners on this platform globally. If you want to build an automated digital business and take control of your financial future, this is the easiest way to start. Claim your 14-day free trial with the link in the description, use your free $40 ad coupon, and launch your automated business today. See you next time.